10,000 fund, worth fund. It was held on 2021. Now it is the second time we are organizing this faculty development program under Rusa 2.0. So we planned 30 hours session, total 30 hours, 1 week duration. Every day start with 9:30 a.m. and 4:30 p.m. So daily we have 4 sessions. So one theory session, one practical session morning, and afternoon also one theory session, one practical session. That is a hands-on training session using different softwares. We planned a total of 15 sessions. First inauguration followed by sessions today. Tomorrow onwards, every day, morning and afternoon, total of 13 eminent resource persons from various reputed universities, national institutes, and industries, like Director Asciti Pharmaceuticals, Neeraj Mishra sir, Associate Professor, Radio Institute of Technology, Andhra Pradesh, Prakash Mukudar sir, so he continued the pharmaceuticals. Next, Dr. N. Kalaibani ma'am, so Indian Pharmacopoeia Convention, Ghaziabad. Next, Dr. PJ ma'am, Naiper, Raibalari, Dr. Deepika Bansal ma'am, is the head of clinical research, Naiper Mohali. Next, Prahalad Pragalpati, sir, Dr. Prahalad Pragalpati is a scientist from R&D and FRT, Baxter's Pharmaceuticals Private Limited, Gujarat. Like this, we have total 13 source persons from various areas in the India. At the same time, we have one international resource person is also Professor R. Nijam Beg sir, Professor and HOD of Dubai Medical College from UAE. We arranged 13 resource persons. They are delivering their lectures in AI in formulation development, AI in clinical research, AI in analytical method development and validation, so AI in regulatory innovations, so AI in data technology. Like this, we prepared and we scheduled the program sheet. At the end of this 1 week FTP program, we have one online test that is okay. So the participants every day they have practical session on their own laptops. Using different algorithms, different AI tools, how to open the different practical labs like this. The certificate will be awarded to every participant after getting 80% of the attendance and 60% in the final test. Thank you to our authority for giving this opportunity to conduct such a wonderful session. It is a faculty development program. So through this platform, the faculty will enrich their knowledge more and more. Thank you for authorities, and at the same time, thank you to all faculty members. Our college, ours is a University College of Pharmaceutical Sciences, Acharya Nagarjuna University. Our college was established in 2010. We have 14 faculty members like Professor D. Jyotirmay ma'am, Professor D. Ravishankar Reddy sir, Annapurna, Dr. Annapurna ma'am, Dr. A. Sujana ma'am, and Dr. Gayatri Ravya ma'am, Dr. P. Ravi sir, next Dr. K. Pravalika ma'am, Dr. K. Vijay Kishore sir, next Srimati Pavani ma'am, Srimati Diva Bhargava ma'am, next Srimati Lakshmi Monika ma'am. Next, Dr. P. Divabhatami ma'am, Renuka ma'am, Jyotirmay ma'am, like this. We have 14 faculty members and we have 6 lab technicians and we have full of office staff and technicians so we offer BPharm course and with the 5 specializations, pharmaceutical analysis, pharmaceutical chemistry, pharmaceutics, industrial pharmacy, and pharmacology. And our college offers full-time PhD program and a part-time PhD program. This is about our college and all the best to each and every participant. This 1 week will enrich your knowledge. Thank you for giving me this opportunity. Thank you.
Thank you for your informative opening remarks. Now I request all our guests to open our survey today's survey. Students to please take the survey here. Okay, sir. Now I request one of our guests of honor, Professor B. Kangaparan, sir, Principal Sims College of Pharmacy, to give his wishes for today's session.
Once you feel what your attendance, the awareness, my faculty members, my students, very good morning to all. So at the outset, I would like to it's ambitious to write a organizing for this 1 week faculty development program. As I am an with the pharmaceutical sciences. Mahavira Guru Guru. So after parents, we who are standing this. So we are in a position to verify to guide the students. So that's why we set up platform with you type of chances to develop skills in the recent things. So this, I'm sure I want to say a small story from the Mahabharata. So one day, Kauravas and Pandavas, they are playing while they were at a small field. Duryodhana's sister, Darshana, she displays the ball in a level. So everyone tried hard to take that ball out, but it couldn't. But Guru Dronacharya entered there and he has removed that ball very easily by using his skill. So a good teacher will have so a good teacher will attract and he will get admired by the people. So if any if the students are able to understand the particular concept, the faculty he is explaining the concept in a very easy way. That is the point of action and that is a very good point of getting admired. So these type of platforms, faculty development program definitely will give such type of open area where we can faculty can develop the skills what it would require exactly. So I wish each and every faculty member utilize this session maximum level and with the impact you want to go. That is the real success. Okay. So I wish us entire team in this program be a grand success. And God bless us and have a wonderful days. And thank you, Vanessa, for giving me this excellent opportunity.
Thank you, sir, for your warm wishes. Now, my request Dr. M.V. Nagabhushan, sir, Principal, Hindu College of Pharmacy, to deliver his wishes for today's.
Good morning to all dignitaries and class. Professor Keshav Garu, Principal of Acharya Nagarjuna University College of Pharmaceutical Sciences. And today's co-conductor of the program, Professor Mastanam Garu, and all professors and teaching faculty members, their students, and all the participants who are about to take the advantage and grab the benefit of the FDP, the 1 week FDP initiative being organized by the Pharmacy College of Acharya Nagarjuna University. This is why we call it as a next generation drug discovery. Drug discovery is a process which is been happening for the decades together. So what makes this is a next generation drug discovery? The process of the discovery of a drug, new drug, is a very long process, starting from the medicinal chemistry, ending with the regulatory application. Here, a lot of new molecules are synthesized. All these things are needed to be screened, formulated, and then the formulation which comes out needs to be taken approval from the regulatory applications by applying through that respect to CDSCO or any other country where the marketing organization is seated. So for that, in every stage of development, a lot of information is generated, and we need to conclude at every stage, at every step, to go ahead with a statistical conclusion, especially in the clinical trials, especially a lot of generation of the data from phase 1 to phase 2, phase 2 to phase 3, and the phase 3, again, marketing authorization proposal to be submitted to regulatory clearance. At every stage, there is a lot of generative things, especially in terms of the volume of data. And we have to come up with a statistical conclusion. Yes, this can be promoted to the next level of development. So further, the AI tool is one of the important new generation tool, which will definitely help the process to accelerate so that the new discovery of a new drug will be somewhat comparatively more faster as well as more economical and also more enthusiastic to the persons who are involved in that particular steps, either as a medicinal chemistry or as a pharmacologist or as a regulated professional. So the resource person, a group of resource persons who are going to deliver these 1 week program are chosen very choosily and very what you call everyone is having excellent experience in their segments, and definitely the participants will get benefited when they listen carefully as well as paying attention, so that in the forthcoming usually the Pharmacy Council of India proposed syllabus is also having many artificial intelligence integrated pharmacy courses. Definitely, these kinds of the faculty development programs will enrich the faculty with the AI tools so that they can also face the new upcoming syllabus proposed by the Pharmacy Council of India, having artificial intelligence as the integrated content in the forthcoming syllabus. And we congratulate the Professor Tejamurthy Garu and Master Garu and all other faculty members involved in this development as well as conduction of the faculty development program. And we thank all the professionals here for inviting me for this wonderful session to become part of this. Okay, thank you, sir. Thank you, and all the best.
Thank you very much, sir, for giving us a glimpse of uses of AI in our discovery. Now I request Professor C. Babulal, sir, Principal, Priyadarshini College of Pharmacy, to give his wishes for today's meeting.
Respected convener of this government program system, Dr. Tejamurthy Garu, Principal University College of Pharmaceutical Sciences, and co-convener of the session, Dr. Mustafa Madam, and all the respected delegates on the dais, my colleagues, and respected resource persons, those who are coming from different places, from both academia and industry, come here to share their knowledge with all of us. Thank you very much, sir, for coming all the way and take this faculty development program. So first of all, the respected faculty members of Acharya undergraduates, both teaching and non-teaching, respected students, and those the faculty members, those who are coming from different colleges to attend this faculty development program 1 week session. And just now I go through the booklet, just now released in this session. So the topics are very well advanced and it is very useful, particularly to the faculty members, those who are attending this session, both online or offline, whatever it is. And just now my friend Dr. Nagakushan told about the role of artificial intelligence in the pharmacy curriculum. Just now, the pharmacy syllabus, we don't have this artificial, just we have computer applications and stats to tell understand related to computer subject. But they are going to introduce, mostly from this academic year, this artificial intelligence, quantum, everything, latest updates, they are going to introduce in the pharmacy syllabus. So before teaching this curriculum to the students, all the faculty members should update themselves, because teaching is a continuous learning process. So I request this kind of faculty development programs. So first of all, choosing this title is a very intelligent decision. I would like to congratulate the convener and co-convener of this session for choosing this advanced topic, because it is very useful. Some topics just you can learn and you can leave, but it's very useful to the next generation students also. So faculty, all the faculty members, those who are attending this seminar, please interact with your resource persons and ask any doubts. And this kind of faculty development programs are very useful to enhance, particularly the faculty knowledge and to enhance their research skills, because they are arranging, just to told that they are going to arrange academic session and practical session also. And so I think for this, the system is very mandatory. So you can enhance your computational skills by using various advanced tools, advanced computational tools. What is the role? So hope it will be very useful to the faculty members. Thank you very much, Tejam Garu, for inviting me and keeping me a part of this prestigious faculty development program. Wish you all the best and God bless you. Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir, for your warm wishes. I request one of our guests of honors of today, Dr. Sunil Sangagaru, Director, XOT Pharmaceuticals LLP, to deliver this speech.
Good morning to one and all. Respect Principal Tekumati Garu and co-convener Dr. Mastan Garu and respected dignitaries of the dais, teaching staff, non-teaching staff of AAU, as well as the teaching staff who have come from different organizations, student friends and rest of the people. A very good morning to you all and all. I take this as a privilege to be in front of you, because to speak on this topic like next gen drug discovery. So it is the next gen and we are talking to next generation people also. So hope this might be very helpful and we are far in the industry where we have crossed like learning more about AI, it appears to be because there is a lot between truth and myth which is happening in the industry. So as professors have mentioned, like AI now, it has become beyond usage now, like wherein it is a must in the area of drug discovery or drug product development, wherein it reduces a lot of time, a lot of money. I know that money now it can now money here when we mention like even though AI is costly, but when we compare with time, for the drug development, like it takes about billions of amounts of money to develop one drug, and it might take 20 years to pull out one drug from discovery to the market. So in such situations, like utilizing AI tools or utilizing AI in the area of all the pharmaceutical field will clearly help the pharmaceutical industry to bring the development of a drug into a very short span. Might not be 20 years, it will be very less than that because there are no statistics to say yet that it has been reduced so and so. But still, we do believe that there will be reduced time for the development, which will be helpful for reaching to the patient. So the ultimate user is the patient, and if it is going to take billions of amount of money and it is going to take such a long time, what will happen is that the burden falls on the patient, like in terms of finance, like in terms of money, or in terms of the right time, right delivery of the drug. So these all things kept into aspects. I think I still believe that artificial intelligence is going to change the future developments. So I would like to stop here because again I have a following session wherein I lose out of content if I'm going to speak much over here. So thank you, friends.
Thank you very much, sir. We are looking forward to your session. Now I request Dr. Neeraj Kumar Mishra Garu, Associate Professor, Vellore Institute of Technology, Andhra Pradesh, to deliver his wishes.
So, very good morning to all the faculty members and all the delegates and the management of this university. So, I'm very happy to come here and deliver our talk. So, this title, the people talk, title is Next Generation Drug Discovery. It's very innovative topic and many of the emerging technologies covered here like AI and what are the available tools are in this area and also the quantum technology. So that means it is very helpful to all the faculty members, all the students to enhance our knowledge in this all computing era. So first I need to discuss in the 1940s, we are using a vacuum tube based computing device. So at that time, the computing device is not very much faster. But after that, the silicon technology come to the market. So in that case, the whole computing scenario change. Because silicon material is very cheap, and nowadays we are using all the computers in our home because the device cost is less. But the problem is all the computing device, what we are using is not very much perfect to learn or to simulate a complex problems. Like we see in the past few years, we just crossed the COVID case. So at that time, the quantum computer is the only device to simulate the molecule. So that's why the new medicine come in the market because this quantum computing is helpful to make the device, make the medicines. So that means the quantum computing is also a way, is a good way of computing device. And most of the domain people are using this quantum technology. And we know this city is also making a quantum value. And the government is also make to initiate some drug discovery here by using quantum technology. So that means there is a lot of opportunity is also there for students to work on the quantum computing and discover new medicines. So this subject idea is of course very innovative and the decision which taken by the management this topic is very appreciated. And I see many of the institutes are not focusing on the drugs discovery, but I see this title is also is making a title like drug discovery. It is very innovative topic. And I think the all the sports person is very good and definitely it will increase your knowledge and I am the person who will discuss the
రాత్రి ఆధార్ తెచ్చవా రాయించుకో
computer is supercomputer. But another computer is quantum, which is more faster than supercomputer. So this is the way the computing era changed. So that will be helpful for your domain also. And I will also discuss how the AI acceleration is possible by the quantum computers. So of course, many of the interesting talks are there, many of the good resource persons are there, because the organizer has selected a very good resource person from different academics or different industry person. So of course, it will be very helpful for your knowledge or for your skills. And I hope you will enjoy this all sessions and definitely it will be make your career will be also very high stage. So thank you very much to all.
ఈరోజు మరి ఇది కదా
Now I request Dr. Kailash Mutlas Garu, Director and Chief Scientific Officer, AUC.
ప్రెగ్నెన్సీ కదా పిఎంఎస్ఎంఈ ప్రోగ్రామ్ కదా
Good morning. Energetic? Are you all energetic? How much? More or less? Good. Okay. First, let me thank the management, convenience rectors, and everybody for choosing this FTP program. Second, I thank principal sir and Pam for giving a very good introduction. Then the guest of honors, the principals from various colleges, we have around Gultu. Then my fellow resource people. Okay, the topic,
సింహాచలం
yes, everybody spoke, correct? So why this topic is very interesting?
యూనివర్సిటీ కాలేజ్
Is for various people. And one thing I would like to highlight here is
మంచి మెడిసిన్
sometimes people write
ఇంకా మూడు నాలుగు సంవత్సరాలు ఉంటాయి
flavor of
బిల్ సబ్మిట్ చేస్తా
what I do over here. Machine learning rather than your principals are just speaking or taking the topic, he is getting trained and the trainer is speaking.
అదే
I am attending a 16 weeks program and that is one of the participants and I'm thankful for that. During these sessions, Sir was impressed. Sir started 0 in Python code and now he is coding in Python. And this flavor, what he has taken for himself, he wanted to share with you all. That's one of the reasons I had to come from Chennai to here and on a short notice. And this is very helpful. And I would like to you all can give up for your principal sir because he
మా మోహన్ సమాజ్ మీరు చేస్తారు
is very important. How many of you are aware of Nokia phones?
చేయాలి
Nokia phones.
రాజకీయాల మీదే
Right,
చేయాలి
good number. Nokia phone, Nokia. How many of you were having Nokia phone and how many of you are having Nokia phone now? I was having Nokia phone and I was more preferring only Nokia in the past because we used to say it's a brick model. If you drop it down, it won't break out. We were thinking that way. That was the statement. Nokia now. Yeah. So it's not a debate. It's a kind of a case study. People always keep it for various circumstances. It's in the same way. It's the upgradation. It's your choice. It's your choice. You can think of how you want to choose the upgradations, and we leave that concepts to that. I will be, as everyone was saying, I will be more focusing towards how this can help students in content creating, how AI can help in content creations, and can they have any kind of return on investments or have some kind of a part-time activities, part-time jobs. For faculty, I will be sharing certain tools that are helpful in publications, grant writing, and these are all time tested tools as well. And finally, we will conclude with what is your opinions, and we will do certain practical sessions as well with learning. With that, thank you for the opportunity, and let's have a great time together today. Thank you. Thank you, on the lot.
Thank you very much, sir. We are delighted to have you here and we are looking forward for your session. Now I request Principal Sir to please read our resource persons. And I also request Masalama Madam to join our Principal Sir in the presentation program. I request our faculty members of the agency please to please join the presentation. Dr. Sunil Somna sir, please accept the word. Dr. Sunil sir, please be. I request Dr. Vikas Kumar Vishnu sir to please be seated.
నేను అర్థం కదన్నా.
Thank you, sir. Now I request Dr. Vikas sir to please be seated. Now I request Professor B. Rangapal sir, Principal St. College to please be seated. Yes, sir. Now I request Professor M.B. Nagabhushanam sir, Principal Legal College of Council to please be seated. Our request Dr. C. Baburao, sir, Principal, University College of Pharmacy, to please be seated. Thank you. Request everyone to please seated on the stage. Request all the dignitaries on the left, please be seated. On behalf of Nagarjuna University College of Pharmaceutical Sciences, I extend my heartfelt thanks to the guest of honors of today's session, Professor B. Tangavalan sir, Principal Saints College of Pharmacy, Professor M. P. Nagabhushan sir, Principal Hindu College of Pharmacy, Professor C. Baburao sir, Principal Priyadharshini College of Pharmacy, and it is also my privilege to extend my heartfelt vote of thanks to the distinguished guest of today, Dr. Sunil Sonal sir, Director, SOT Pharmaceutical Secretary, Dr. Neeraj Kumar Mishra, sir, Associate Professor, Vellore Institute of Technology, Andhra Pradesh, and Dr. Prakash Dubos, sir, Director and Chief Science Officer, A2Z, Chennai. And it is my privilege to thank all the authorities of Rajahmundry Nagarjuna University as well as the convener and co-convener of today's session, which is sponsored by AAU as well as Rusa 2.0. Our respected principal, sir, Sir Tejo Gupti, sir, and Dr. Sheikh Maslan, madam. And I also extend my warm vote of thanks to all the students who have helped a lot in organizing this session in a great manner. And we are all looking forward to all the delightful sessions and also to get enlightened by all your speeches, sir. I now request all of you to join for snacks and later it will be followed by the session. Thank you very much.